Yo, what is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. So me and Leo just picked up the cherry picker from David's house and we're gonna go drop it off right now, but we're not gonna take out the engine until later. That's probably gonna be a whole separate video because in this video we got a project for the S2000. It would rip out the motor right now, but it's just way too hot. It's way too hot. And guys, Leo actually had like a tarp before, but they had to take it down. So just out there being in the straight up sun, no, I'm good. Thanks though. But yeah, guys. So right now I'm gonna drop off. Oh, what? Come on now, guys. We just turned the corner and the Jeep was parked and then went right in front of it. Anyways, guys. So I lost my train of thought. Guys, got the cherry picker. Leo's about to open up the gate, throw it back there for now. Hey guys, hey Roxy, hey Lula. Alright guys, came to my house real quick to pick up the fenders. I'm so hyped.
These things are like paper.
Yeah, they're so light. Wait, where are they made of?
2013?
What?
Yeah.
5 years? That's crazy.
They gave you some expired shit.
How's it expired? That's just spoiled or what?
It's just rotten. You smell it?
Fenders are loaded up. And you guys may be probably wondering if I'm gonna leave that mesh like that. And the answer is yes. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not leaving it like that, trust me. I'm probably gonna paint it black. It'll look subtle and clean. So we're gonna grab some drinks and throw these babies on. Leo, bro, please drive careful. You just hit that speed bump right there, like 50 miles per hour.
It was like 65.
It was low-key like 65.
Why you guys gotta make everything so much worse than what it is?
Alright guys, we are back at Leo's S2000s in the driveway. Got a little bit of shade, so that is good. It's time, guys. I've never taken off the fenders, so I hope they're not a hassle. But I'm so hyped, guys. This is the last time. Well, hopefully the last time. I hope I don't fuck up those fenders, but hopefully it's the last time with these fenders, guys. So get a good look at it. OEM black fenders. And guys, no more buckled fender. Now I'm actually gonna be confident. Like, this is the only thing that makes me like not confident about my car. So let's get it. Alright guys, fender is off, and thank you guys for watching our tutorial on how to go fender delete. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like if you guys did, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah. Just kidding, guys. But alright, so guys, I don't think I ever touched up on this, but a long time ago when I had the other lip, I was on the freeway, it scraped off. I ran it over, so I have like a slight dent. I don't know if you guys can see it, but basically it ruined my tabs down here, and it was a pain. One of them was a pain to get you, so that one took forever. And guys, of course, things don't go smooth on the simplest shit. So all the bolts are pretty much removed on this one as well, but there's one on the bottom. I think it's stripped or something. I'm not sure, but it's being a pain. Alright guys, so to remove an S2000 fender, basically it's 5 bolts all along right there, and I think mine's broken, but I think there's supposed to be one in here, but yeah, we won't talk about that. And then of course there's one in the door, and then 3 on the bottom, and then there's one more screw right here, and there's like a Phillips going from the bumper up to the fender. So not that hard, but if you go down here, guys, if you see that, hold on, where is it? That one is being a pain. See all that grime coming out, but that's it, guys. It's just that one bolt. Then we can take this one off. But for the meanwhile, instead of stressing, we have a fender off. We might as well throw a fender on, and we could actually have like a side-by-side comparison of the OEM one and this one. So I'm fucking hyped. It's finally time, guys. Alright, Leo, so how heavy would you say that is? About? It's light as fuck though, right?
Yeah, like 5 pounds maybe at most.
Alright, now pick up that one.
Oh fuck!
Yeah,
that's different.
Dude, it's crazy. David, I don't know if you want to get on this test, but How heavy would you say that is? Is Leo right about 5 pounds?
Stupid light.
Stupid light. The point is it's stupid light.
What the fuck?
But guys, it's crazy how much of a difference that is. Like, wow. I don't even think the carbon fiber trunk on the Civic was that much of a difference. These is like really a difference. Bro, I'm literally like a few seconds away. If I just drop her, I'll just crack. Dude, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Alright guys, so fitment isn't perfect. I honestly don't think any products are like perfect. I think you guys have to finagle them at least a little bit. But for pretty much up here, the fitment is almost good. The headlight just sinks in a tad in the corner, but it's not that bad. And then up here, we got all the bolts. And then right now, we got the bolt that's in here, but the problem is that when you close it, it overlaps just barely a hair. So we're gonna shave it just a little bit, just pretty much that little corner right there. Alright guys, so all that's left is the bolts on the bottom. They don't line up completely, so we're gonna have to finagle them just a tad, but other than that, that's pretty much what it looks like, and it's pretty much on there. So obviously when we're done later guys, I'm gonna paint this. I probably should have painted it before, but guys, you already know how I am, so I mean, it's not gonna be that hard. Honestly, I could probably like plastic dip it, just black, I mean, but yeah, it's gonna be less. Alright guys, so this fender, the passenger side, took a lot more work. You guys can see right here, we actually grind it down, but I'm gonna hit it with compound because it has scratches right here because we were sanding it. But fitment looks good guys. My boy Leo getting some ice cream. Alright guys, so I still can't get a look for, I really don't see the vision yet, so I'm gonna throw on the bumper, close the hood, and guys, we'll see how it looks. But also guys, I still have to take off my wheels and shave the inside because it has tabs. So I'm probably gonna shave it from like right here all the way to like right here. So that's gonna be the final thing. Still got some work left to do. I think we might be solid. I don't know. What do you think?
Maybe a little more, just right here, huh?
Yeah.
That ain't.
Alright guys, hopefully this is the one. It's so close I can't tell. How's the outside look?
It's fucking close.
It's really close. Maybe just a little bit to be safe.
Yeah, huh? This side you're fine. You can probably slide a quarter through it.
For sure.
I mean, it just gets a little closer right here though. But
Hey guys, this is way too close for comfort. guys, that's pretty much what they're looking like right now. I still need to paint this. I'll probably do it like tomorrow or something. We're kind of running out of time. We still need to rip out the motor in the Civic. The guy's picking them up later, but it still looks pretty badass. No more buckled fenders, guys. And also I still need to take the time to take off the wheels and then shave everything inside. Right now, or for today, I'm not gonna go up any driveways or anything. I'm gonna just play it safe. But yeah, I would really hate to fucking crack these, dude.
The tab might break.
Alright guys, and also now since I have smaller tires, I have a little bit of room to go lower. So after I shave the inside of the fenders, I am gonna go lower. I'll probably make a video out of that, fucking dialing down my fitment, because I can go lower now. And I'm also gonna go a little bit lower in the back, so I'm gonna dial in the fitment, guys. So you guys, comment down below what you guys think. I love it, guys. I still need to work on a little bit of nicks. Like, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about right here. It's popping out just a tad, but I'm gonna fix that. Other than that, guys, I'm freaking stoked. They're subtle, but they're badass. They look really subtle right now, probably because I'm in the shade, but under some sunlight, under some
green.
Yeah, guys, that shit's gonna look crazy under some like bright sunlight. So
it's super subtle because the car's black, but under some sunlight.
Yeah, under some sunlight, it will look crazy. You like them, bro?
Yeah, they're super subtle, but that shit changes it a lot.
Yeah,
I'm in love. It looks good.
It's crazy, guys. I want to see how it looks like with the top down, but I don't feel like doing all that. Alright guys, so like I said, comment down below. I'm so stoked that I was able to come up on these guys. They look really good. One less thing, and especially because I had buckled fenders, I'm not self-conscious about that anymore. But yeah, guys, that's a little glimpse, guys, of what it would look like in some bright sunlight. So under some shade, it's whatever, but even in the nighttime, it's gonna straight up look black, guys. Like, you're not even gonna tell, but I mean, I don't care. Ooh. Alright guys, right now we're actually gonna get ready to take out the motor of the Civic. Leo's gonna take out the truck, and then we're gonna put the Civic in the driveway. Scooted it up just a little bit so I can get under that sunlight. Now it looks crazy, guys. Dude, I'm so... Let's do one more pass, guys. I also just discovered this new angle on my car. Right there. This looks so aggressive. Finally gonna rip out the Civic. Not rip out the Civic. You know what I mean. We're gonna rip out the engine, guys. So we're gonna jump start real quick, bring it out here, and have all this space. So that's currently like let me see. It's 5:10. So hopefully we can get it done in about 2 hours. Last time it took us an hour and a half, so I'm not even tripping. It only gets easier, to be honest. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below what you guys think on the new fenders. Like I said, I'm gonna paint the little mesh black, give it even more subtle look. And I'm also gonna fuck with the fitment after I shave the inside, so that's gonna be a different video. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Like if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're new. And stick around, guys. The carbon trunk is still next. The carbon trunk is still next, guys. So that's not all, but next video is gonna be ripping out the B20 for the final time. We'll see you guys then.